Pravesh Kumar from Himalayan University.
So my name is Pravesh Kumar and I am PhD scholar of Himalayan University. My guide name is Dr. KP Yadav and he is the director of IMT College UP. Sir, today I will represent computer technique regarding security purpose related. First of all, I will tell you about my topics toward data cryptography optimizer collaborative autolysis generator, sir. First of all, I will tell about these things, sir. Computer technique and e-commerce application and social network and other organization also use huge amount of data daily. And every day we use computer and mobile device need understand how to keep their computer device data structure, secure computer system, and allow information to disclose one platform to another platform. So let me understand one information we send through the mobile and the mobile receive this information in between. Several of gap arises. Some type of hackers can hide your information and and intruder can intercept your information. So we have decided and try to fill the gap between them. So to protect the data, several encryption techniques are available right now. Some of these DPS, AES, and RSA, and some other type of tables and information are available. In this present world, billion of data send and receive network machine. So it is necessary to protect the data from unauthorized user. Security is very critical issue in hardware industry where type of communication cable are used. In the research, may we observe that encryption and destruction method are used. So we have find the gap in between them. So we have protected and create a new method to layer of protection. In the research, we try to find the various gaps of data security. We analyze security gaps on various tools. Several of tools use separate algorithm method to encrypt the data, and many protection layer create to secure data. In this research, data cryptography optimizer which the later method create and try to fill the gap between use a new method and table there as a plain text sheet and transfer for the processing to the end user when end user will receive. But sender and receiver between a gap between the two layer and one layer method only encryption single user use and end user don't know what they send from the first user. So these table are hide from the intruder because sender don't know the code and end user know only the code use the table because table work on random basis. So do not everyone know the code how to utilize it. Data and cryptography optimizer tables method experimentally are used here and some experimental I did on programming language. You can did some type of programming like a C# and Java. I also use Java language and try to demonstrate the uh, create to table and I did success on this table and try to fill the gap between them. This table present the source code how to generate it and such communication code to convert the big and in this table. And the last final is we have tried to fill the gap between them and I did success. Thank you.